Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today we are going to explain the Caterpiller C32 model generator set electrical system wiring diagram. This is the part 2. If you not watched part first, please go back and watch the part first and then come to watch this part 2. Okay, before the starting the video, a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. So let's get started. Today in this topic we are explaining two things only: the injector harness and also the sensor harness. Okay, the sensor wiring and injector wiring. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to figure out the injector harness here inside the block diagram. Okay, as you can see, this is our injectors. Okay, as you can see, injector have two connectors. Okay, in the harness, one is a JC7 connectors. Okay, and one is a FC2 connectors. Okay, bank 1 and bank 2. Okay, it's used for bank 1 and bank 2 because this is the V type engine. Okay, as you can see here, uh, injector number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, and also injector 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. Okay, if you have a misfire occur in your engine, or engine not to accelerate, or sometime the frequency fluctuation or the voltages fluctuation, you can check the injector harness. Any of the injector if faulty, that means you're not stable your frequency and not your voltages. Okay, should be all injector operated in a good condition. Okay, so as you can see here, in a J7 connectors, JC7 connectors, injector number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, this is the one side of injector, and also the bank 1, as you can see, FC2 connector, injector 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. Okay, where is coming from this wiring to the injector harness? If we follow this injector harness, as you can see here, if we mention one, all injector have one's is a pulse wire and one is a ground wire. Okay, as you can see, if we follow this wire, click on it, copy, and also paste here. Okay, as you can see, this wire is going out from the ECM 120 pin connectors. Okay, as you can see, injector 9 to 11 H's. Okay, understand? And then we follow this is coming from here to there. Okay, and from there, okay, to there. Now let's follow this wire. Okay, as you can see here, and also the T860 F53, this wire injector 2 for H's. Okay, H's means harness. Okay, so let's move. As you can see here, and another connectors, the JC1 and JC4. Okay, and then out, as you can see here, pin 9 is going to the here, the another side of the JC1 connectors. Okay, and then going to the this another harness, as you can see here, and then out from here to going to the injectors. Okay, this wire, as you can see, T860, as you can see this one, sorry, copy this and paste here. Okay, T860 on the injector number 2, injector number 4. Okay, and also the injector number 9 and injector number 11. Okay, if we check the another wire harness, for example the injector number 6, copy this wire and paste here. As you can see, this is start from here, injector number 5 and 7, and then follow to this, and then to this, and then to this, and then as you can see injector number 6, injector number 8, and injector number 5, injector number 7. Okay, you can check only the injectors if you want to determine and find the injector voltages. This injector as voltages is very high. Okay, it's operated by very high voltages, all the injectors. Okay, and this injector only check the injector pulse by the oscilloscope. Okay, not by the simple multimeter or another thing. Okay, so let's move to explain the sensor harness. Okay, here we have a sensor, as you can see, this one's fuel pressure sensor, a connector AC10. Okay, and also the connector AC12 is a oil pressure sensor, and AC13 is a inlet air pressure sensor, and also atmospheric pressure sensor AC14, oil temperature AC24, fuel temperature AC15, and inlet air temperature sensor AC16, coolant temperature sensor AC17, and coolant level sensor AC18. Okay, as you can see here, all sensor 8 volt, and also the ground and alarm. Okay, alarm means just generate the alarm when the sensor failed or not working properly. Okay, as you can see here, and a coolant temperature sensor is a signal and ground, and this is the signal and ground. If we follow this, the signal and ground wire, okay, from where is this coming to? There. Okay, let's move and check out. As you can see here to there, as you can see here, this wire. Okay, 995822, white and purple wire. Okay, this is the signal wire. Okay, as you can see here, the red wire means is a battery direct feed, and the blue wire is the battery switch. This is the switchable, and orange wire is used for the starting. Black wire is a battery or sensor return, and the purple wire is a sensor actuator supply, and also the as you can see here is a pink wire is a signal plus 2 cm, and pink and white is a signal minus 2 cm, and the gray wire is control plus from ECM, and purple and white, gray and white is a control minus from the ECM, and also the light green and black is CAN data link, and also the light pink and black is a data link. Okay, as you can see here, we have all the system here. So I hopefully to watch this video little bit overview on a block diagram and try to understanding the electrical wiring diagram. This is the part second. Okay, thanks for watching. See you all next time, and goodbye. Before the going the video to end up, as you can see, all sensor, ground, and 5 volt and signal. As you can see, easily as you can see, figure out, and you can take the screenshot for your work to use it. check the 5 volt and also check the ground. If you have required the wiring diagram, please write comment below in comment section. I will give you the file PDF to you. Thanks for watching my video. See you all next time. Goodbye.